There is one place where your past has no power over you, and your future hasn't been written yet. It isn't tomorrow. It isn't someday. It's right now, this single moment. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to guide you into the present moment, not to escape your life, but to step into the one place where you can actually change it. Joe Dispenza calls it the eternal now, the moment you stop being your past and start becoming what's possible. And the doorway in is your heart. When your heart and your brain fall into the same rhythm, into coherence, the present moment opens on its own. And to find that coherence, we're going to use one simple practice, heart-focused breathing. Breath that flows in and out through your heart. All you have to do is breathe and stay with me. Close your eyes. Place one hand on the center of your chest, right over your heart. Feel the weight of your own hand, the warmth of it. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it go. Let your shoulders drop. Now bring all of your attention to the spot beneath your hand and imagine your breath flowing in and out, right there through your heart. Breathe in through your heart, slowly. Feel your chest rise. And out through your heart, feel your body soften. In through the heart, a slow, easy count, and out through the heart, letting go. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just keep your attention on your heart and let the breath follow. As you breathe this way, something begins to settle. Your heart and your brain finding the same rhythm. This is coherence. You don't have to force it. You only have to stay. Breathe in through your heart and let a feeling of calm rise in your chest. Breathe out and let that calm spread a little wider. You may notice the noise in your mind beginning to quiet. That's okay. Let it. Now, gently let go of the past. Everything that happened today, yesterday, years ago, for now, let it rest. It's familiar, it's known, but it isn't here. It only lives in your memory. And now, let go of the future. Everything you still have to do, everything you're waiting for or worried about, none of it is here either. It only lives in your imagination. When you release the past and you release the future, what's left is this: this breath, this heartbeat, this moment. Stay here with me. Breathe in through your heart. Breathe out through your heart. This moment, right now, is the only place anything new can begin. Your past can't reach you here. You are not your mistakes. You are not your story. You are not your name, or your worries, or your age. In this moment, you are simply aware. Open. Awake. And from this open space, allow yourself to feel what it would be like if something new were possible. Not planning it, not chasing it, just sensing that the door is open. The present moment is where your future is created. Not in the worry, not in the rush. Here, in the stillness. Breathe in through your heart and feel how alive this stillness is. Breathe out and rest in it. Still here, still breathing through your heart. Nothing to do but be. Notice you didn't have to go anywhere to find this. It was always here, underneath the noise, waiting for you. This is the now, the place you can return to anytime you choose. In a moment, we'll come back, but take this stillness with you. Breathe in through your heart, a little deeper now, and out. Feel your body again. Your hand on your chest, the gentle weight of you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Let a little movement return. Take one more slow breath in through your heart and let it go. You just found the present moment, the one place your past can't follow, and your future begins. Your heart remembers this place now. You can come back whenever you need it. When you're ready, let your eyes softly open. If this brought you home to the now, subscribe and come practice with me again.